What's up, y'all? This is Mel and Keisha back with another Eating Chat. I am Mel.
I'm Keish.
And this is a walk in the fat woman's shoes. How y'all doing, MK Saints visitors, passing throughs? Tonight we have seafood, but we cook them differently. But
Yes.
she only got crab. I have crab, shrimp, and a couple of oysters. White rice. We drinking on that good old H2O.
No big Gurt is not here. She will do what?
Nothing.
Girl, you made it up. Save you in a crisis. Yes, she will. Yes, she will. How to get a big Gurt, a big swole, a big baby, or even a male baby will be in the description box below. So you're going to click that link. You're going to get yourself one. You owe it to yourself. Go on, do it. Go on, do it. You ready? God is good. God is good. Let me know about your receive it for your name. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. So what's going on with you guys tonight? Let us know what y'all eating and if y'all eating with us. Also let us know what's going on in y'all neighborhoods. How's your weather treating you? And what y'all did today. Y'all know one of them. I'm nosy. I'm nosy. Y'all know I'm nosy. I made my version of black pepper crab, but it's just basically sauteed crab, with my olive seasoning and black pepper. So
I made sweet chili, shrimp, crab, oyster, call it what you want. But unlike Keisha, I have vegetables.
I got vegetables. Don't you see them green onions right there?
Where's your bell peppers?
There go red bell pepper right there.
No, bell peppers.
Red bell pepper.
I have red, orange, and green.
I didn't have no red chili, so I used
Where are your
red bell
onions?
pepper. Green onion.
Hey, go close that door. That TV loud as hell.
Because, that I did put a vegetable on there.
Oh my God. And y'all, I had to do my goal.
I just put these on here for decoration, but
I had to do my goal because I taste that piece of ginger that was cooking in there. I'll be drinking a lot during the video. Because it is hot.
And I used the inside of the crab and I cooked that in my butter sauce. This tastes so good.
I know you're out there. I know you out there. So I'm going to answer you. Well, you be the ass to put it in the comments.
That's good.
After I finish filming my shrimp. Now, the reason I left the shells on there is because they hold more flavor.
So good.
And I wanted it.
I don't know. I'm just on a Dungeness crab kick.
Maybe you. I'm trying to get to the store and get me some blue crabs.
Oh.
Keisha was like, no, we could go do that tomorrow. I'm like,
Yeah.
we got too much to do tomorrow. And by the time we come home with them live crabs, I ain't gonna give it the attention you
Right.
need. Cause because if I have time tomorrow, before or even after my doctor's appointment, I will be in the mall.
Yeah.
I ain't even gonna lie.
Shit, we was in the mall today. We ain't do so much though.
Mm-mm.
I went and got I got some more Dungeness crabs. I ain't gonna lie, we was in there when we went in the store. The lady's like, I said, you closed? She was like, no, I'm just opening up, but the person that was supposed to be here didn't come, so it's gonna take me a while to do this. I'm like, okay, I just sit there and I just started waiting because I knew this particular Kroger had Dungeness crab, right? And she kept coming out, and every time she came out to put the little ice trays on the ice in the front of the seafood case counter, she kept looking. Then she started saying, "Oh, it's gonna be 2-3 hours before I can put my stuff up, before I can set up and everything." I'm like, okay, I'll wait. So, I guess she thought she would deter me by telling me that. I wanted it, and I was friend. Then I must have made her stern because once I stayed there, this man, came and asked me, was I waiting? I said, yeah. He was like, is she closed? I'm like, no, she just opening, but I'm just waiting for her to open so I can get my stuff. He said, okay, I'll wait too. And other people started coming. And she was like, what is it you need? I said, I'm looking for a Dungeness crab. And she wants oysters. So she was like, oh, okay. I said, how much the Dungeness crab? 99 cents a pound. Baby, if it was 99 cents a pound, I got everyone she had. Everyone she had, right?
Them things were 99 cents.
No, there wasn't. She thought I was talking about oysters. I said no. I said Dungeness crab. She was like, oh no. And then she went in there. All I have is these 3. I might have 4, Dungeness crabs. Oh no, okay. I'm like, okay. So then she went in the back and she saw that she had 5, right? But one just all of a sudden dropped in the trash. And I ain't gonna lie, that was a real big one. I wanted that one. But you're like, oh, I just have 4. The other, I said, did that one drop in the trash? Because she was trying to give it to me. I said, did that one drop in the trash?
She wasn't.
Uh-huh. And the man told her something. She was like, no, it's no good. It's no good. I said, well, what you have? She was like, I have 4. I said, okay, I'll take them. Give me the 4. But I don't know. Honestly, I don't think she was trying to give it to me. I think she was trying to take that one home. Because it was still wrapped up. And when she dropped it in the trash. But I don't want that. I guess she saw how I was looking at it. I was like, oh, that one a big one. I said, oh, that one a big one. And this so happened. Now she had the other ones in her hand, but that's the one dropped in the trash. She didn't want me to have it, but it's okay. It's all right.
No, you only asked for 4 at first.
Huh?
What happened was you only asked for 4. She came out with 5.
Yeah, and I was gonna take the five.
She didn't hear you.
She heard me. Lord,
You know,
this one was down in that sauce. So how was y'all day?
when you tell your kids, no, that's not a good idea. You know, and they don't listen to you. Or there go one of them oysters. So they have to learn the mistake on their own. And some mistakes is too expensive to keep making.
All right.
Hey, bring your plate here. Let me do. Oh, you cooked them all.
Now that's some more back though.
Mm. Find me a little one. I keep telling my son, you can't come to my level, but you can't stop half step. You know, and I don't know why this boy keep wanting to throw cream of mushroom in his oxtails.
I guess you just like the taste.
Heated.
It's unheated.
That ain't small. Son, that ain't small.
These are the only 2 small ones I got.
Oh, well, I would need a fork. No, I will not use your fork.
You use mine, I ain't tripping.
I don't want no stuff though.
Oh yeah.
When he showed me his oxtail, I couldn't even say it looked good. I don't know how he heated that, cause I don't smell it in the air.
Did you smell it in the air when he was eating?
No,
When he wanted it?
no, I didn't smell it. Hmm?
That's your taste. Did you smell it when he was cooking it?
I smelled it last night when he was cooking it.
that.
My relationship, we trying to be an oyster sucker is over. If I can't go to the oyster bar, or buy me a pint at the store, that's a wrap. Cause y'all, as y'all know, I can't shuck 'em. And when I do the method, bake it till they open. Damn, boy, you weak.
It's hot.
Oh. I'm trying, here, cut me a piece off, yeah. Man. Man. I'm surprised my nose not running yet.
Cause it's hot.
I guess I ain't eat enough yet.
Pass that down.
Try it. Man.
It's good.
He looking at me like he trying to decide what's the best way to come at me. Excuse me. Yeah.
Wait, hold up.
I still have leftover sauce. I think I'm gonna put these in some shrimp tomorrow. Well, put some shrimp in the sauce tomorrow. That's why I wear black, cause I knew this was gonna get messy.
Excuse me. It's alright, Dwayne.
It's what?
It's alright.
You said what, Dad?
What you touching me for?
It's alright.
No. You said what, Dad?
Touch me again.
It's okay.
I'm not wearing mine.
So you saying It's okay. Like you like it? Or is
It's
it?
edible.
No.
That's what I'm saying. It's okay, like it's edible.
What? You talking about here?
I don't know what you was looking for.
You talking about oxtail, Sam?
Did you put vinegar in them? You sure?
Let me see.
What you mean, probably?
No, I'm positive.
Did you clean them in vinegar?
Hmm?
Mm-mm.
You said what?
Did you clean your oxtail
Yeah.
with vinegar?
No, I ain't cleaning with me.
You should have.
Look. People going too far. When if you grew up in America, and when your people say clean your meat, the most they did was rinse it off and take all the little nasties off it. But now people is scrubbing their meat, putting their meat in vinegars and baking soda. What the hell?
Just to clean it.
What I gotta do all that for? Didn't they clean it when they killed it?
Well, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, but they want an extra clean it.
That's a, I
I
got
don't
a
know there's nothing
line.
wrong with it.
I cleaned it with a line.
No, you didn't. Where you got it from?
I bought a line.
And you rubbed the lime on it?
No, I just
Girl,
cut
throw
it,
that boy. No, you didn't.
squeezed it, and put it in the water.
You know when you put the, like rubber mark on it?
No one told me that.
You ain't never seen me clean it?
I'm gonna keep it 100. Never really watched.
That's why your
That's why you don't know what
oxtails
you're
taste
doing
like
with the
that.
oxtail.
That do it all the
That's
time.
why your oxtails taste like that.
No, it's crazy.
But it's okay. They're alright. You gonna live. But you ain't using no seasoning.
Girl. Would you really expect the seasoning?
Yeah. Cause we had a whole conversation before he brought the oxtail. And I told him, I said, do we have celery, Dwayne? Yes, we do.
Oh, I didn't put no celery in there.
And you think that's it?
Alright, more than that,
Come
dog.
on, I didn't put bell peppers in it.
I ain't seen that.
He put a half of bell pepper.
No,
And a half of onion.
we just had to use the whole bell.
And all that?
No, we
Yeah.
just had to use the whole thing, right? The whole bell pepper,
Yeah.
the whole bell pepper, the whole onion.
Do
Even I
you
know
see
that.
my oxtails?
I just want to taste socks.
I know.
They're not even cooked.
They ain't
Not
done.
finished, I know.
It smells good though.
When they finish,
Yeah.
I just want to try a piece.
See ya?
That's why I said use that big one.
Dwayne,
That one big one.
Right.
Cause I was like,
Right.
oh, I'm gonna get
Right.
that one really for me.
Dwayne,
Cause it's really enough for me.
Dwayne, can I tell you something? Dwayne, that's how.
When you
that's how.
eat my oxtails, you're gonna be upset with yourself.
Dwayne,
Me?
that's
Yeah.
how. Let me see. Let me try.
So,
Cause you could have just waited, and I could have cooked all of them.
But
But-
you didn't.
You didn't want to wait.
You
You
blew it.
didn't want to wait. And when you biting your meat off your fingers and you biting the bone, because you look in the gravy like that, and bite your finger off.
but
Don't
you know what?
complain me.
Since yours sounds so good, I'm just gonna leave this alone.
You want one?
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah. Pass that squimp over here. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
What you think? You know they had the shell on
Oh,
there.
Okay.
What you think? I'm gonna throw this shit across the floor?
Yes.
whoa.
Yeah, 'cause I know you. Oh, they do
That
have a
is
little
rough.
shell on there. Yeah.
I'm not the one. I'm not gonna eat
Yeah.
the shell. I don't care.
If I give you a tender shell, you
Alright.
ain't gonna eat it.
No.
That's a tender shell.
No, you didn't get that. You didn't get that.
Nope. When I finish, I'll let you know.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
If
Wait.
that shit don't let us know.
Got a little kick to it.
Oh yeah,
I don't taste no cake.
you tripping.
All right.
Tender.
Oh, is it pieces?
I use some bowl and hot sauce. Wow.
Wow.
Is Monday the only day we gotta go somewhere? Wednesday. Oh yeah.
God, I work tomorrow. I'm not sure.
I'm trying to go to bed tonight.
Oh, you turn 92.
Oh, you took
Well, that was good.
I ain't gonna to bed till midnight.
What, yesterday? That was good.
But
That shrimp.
it was.
Ah.
Look like you're dreaming about it over there.
No, y'all down sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
I got work in the morning.
so loud.
But what be?
Oh,
You ain't even asked me that I want to try
you
it.
want? I need to eat.
No, I
first,
don't eat
huh?
clothes.
I need to eat first. Oh, what?
Would you like to try one of my legs?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
No, I'm
Come on,
gonna
put them
get
right
none.
there. Put them right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you want to give me a flipper?
Okay.
What you about to give him?
One of these.
One of what?
One of these clothes.
Oh, a flipper.
No.
Because you know that's for the media.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You know what this remind me of? Marinated crab, yeah.
I was kind of going for that, but
You put them $1,000 on it.
I ain't, yeah, that's what I was about to say. I ain't putting $1,000 on it.
It, like, you know how
I was
you
going
know
for-
marinated crabs taste like? They would just taste like, but stuff the vinegar was in it.
No, it don't.
Mm-hmm. You got no meat in there. Oh yeah, it does. Look at that.
That's why I get Dungeness crab, 'cause they have meat. They have the meat. Oh, and then putting in the salt. Oh my goodness.
I'd have preferred the female crab.
You got a male?
Wait, what's going on in my eating?
My mom's.
Female.
Oh, okay.
Yours a female?
All of them.
Mine was a male.
I don't want to eat a male. That's
Ironically, the males have more meat than the females. The crab actually was
I know.
Good. You kept it simple.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to do all that.
Yeah, go to
I wasn't trying to do all that extracurricular activities to it.
Yeah. Could you dump that in now?
Yep, yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I see why y'all said it tastes like marinated crab.
Mm-hmm.
You think of that rice thing? Perfect.
Mm.
I mean,
Oh well, for you this is a good job.
I know. 2.5 cups. With salt. The rice. Then my specialty.
It's supposed to be 2 1/4.
Oh,
Y'all can have one, yeah. Curtis.
Too plumpy.
One now.
Too dumpy.
Ooh.
Too plumpy.
It's
Boy.
one of them.
Too dumpy.
Oh, Jesus.
What the hell? You made me drop my damn crab.
Right.
Boy, you gonna make me some money yet.
Exactly.
Looking like that, too.
No.
Don't eat my crab. I
Well, why
see
you
you
don't
get
eat
down
it,
there
man?
to get my, cause he about to get my crab.
Oh.
There you
Excuse me.
go. Man, I don't ever do that no more.
You want one?
He ain't had no meat.
That's his name on me.
He ain't no meat. Wait. I'm all crack. Oh, well.
Thank you. You want an oyster?
Yeah. All you gotta do is just suck it through. It's gonna pop out.
Hey, pause.
Nope.
It didn't go through.
No, it didn't just pop out.
Gotta have.
I'm
Gotta
not,
have good jaws.
I'm not no sucker.
Gotta have good jaws.
I'm like that boy over there.
Oh
The
man.
crab eyes went like that, and it ain't even attached to the crab.
Oh my god.
Man. Whew.
My brother getting every piece.
Mm-hmm.
Especially on these.
Have not bought one Christmas gift.
Oh, put the tree up.
Right. What? What you looking at me like that for?
He wants some sauce.
Nigga, I don't make that sound
You
again.
want a
for it.
shrimp?
Huh?
Yeah.
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to the one that didn't get one.
Ma.
Do you want a shrimp, Negro? Excuse me.
Ooh.
Bet y'all put that on some rice and go crazy.
Ma, that's why I asked you what you was doing with the rest of that.
I was thinking about putting some shrimp to it, but I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
Wow,
'Cause I don't know if I'm gonna be able to even eat tomorrow. This was big.
boy, it was good. Y'all did your thing.
This is
Yeah, you
a
want
lot.
more sauce.
I do.
Church, look,
Oh, my sauce is good.
church. This is my mom's right here. Look, this is mom's. But that sauce good too. Got you the kick too.
Okay, let's go.
See, that like spicy, but my mom like, savory. Boy, another.
I put hot sauce in it. Tried to make it hot, but
Wow.
I
Hand
think
it on.
What?
My hand in there. Bless you.
it's good. I know what you want.
Who that? Oh,
Thank you.
you just threw it down there. Good, huh, then?
Yeah. I love when she enjoy my food. I ain't even about to lie. I love when she like it, enjoy it, however.
Now you sure you don't want an oyster?
Hmm? I'm sure, baby.
From now on,
Okay.
I'm gonna have to pay that exorbitant price. Because
Babe.
I ain't no oyster sucker. What? You sure you don't want to try mine?
I'm good.
Yeah, that's just one little piece of meat.
This was a lot. This is 3 Dungeness crab that I cut, broke up. As y'all can see, I'm just
I'm done.
doing this so I can get my baby the insides of them. She like them, but
I'm
she don't
done.
wanna. Oh, okay.
I'm done. After I eat this piece, I just drop it.
Bitch, I'm done my damn self. I'm gonna eat this slow one right here, and I'm done.
Oh, man. Hand me that one over there.
Oh,
It's the one from Daddy.
we make like this.
Nigga,
Yeah,
got kicked to it out.
Lord.
Got kicked to it out.
Yeah.
yeah, it's a little spicy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hey, let me see that.
There you go. Take it.
What is that?
The plate.
So,
Got it.
anyone?
Go ahead.
Me?
Put that there. Put
I'll
that
back over here. I'll go over here.
up there, cold. Bruh.
Give it back. Give it. Okay, well, damn.
You ready to die with us? Huh?
Over a clock?
Wow.
You know what?
Wow.
Nah,
You
take it.
just sucked all that.
Oh, they touched
I
it.
get the
Touched it.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Man,
yeah.
well, don't make it.
Don't make it weird.
Yes.
What
Right.
you think you doing?
Y'all was definitely making it weird. That boy jumped over there on that boy talking about you ready to die over this over
Yeah.
a clone. Oh, this table got to be
And look
clean.
at this
Oh,
old
jeez.
seafood, Jerry.
You know what? Yeah.
I am done to the doneness.
I told y'all. I want to go to La
No.
Cale Doce.
Oh, look, if we don't, we can just have a bowl over here.
Babe, you correct.
Yeah, because what's it called?
Jerry,
You also got a lot of blue crab.
We can have a bowl over here.
What?
You also got blue crab.
Who the fuck you think won't fucking do a crab ball?
We can.
A bushel of crabs is like $60, $70, but I guess with just us 5 dozen. That's what you want to do. That's a party to you, right?
Let's go to King Buffet. Call it a day.
You
Because
said-
at least I can get plain meat. You know, on the you good?
that's mine.
On the Mongolian table.
Oh yeah, I told you it's spicy.
Hey, man.
You know, on the table, you know what I'm talking about?
Oh wow.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That had my nose running too.
But just hand it over.
They got
to me,
little
right?
tears in my eyes.
Oh wow. You okay?
Wow, he is sweating like a dog. That boy is sweating like a dog, man. You sweating so hard you need 3-4 towels.
Wow.
I don't know why he's sweating, man.
Yeah,
My boy
Oh,
sweat
this
easily.
feel clean.
Even I eat cold food, I sweat.
Something wrong with you, boy.
right.
You know I drink a cold drink, I sweat
Ooh,
too.
oh, yo, this was
You know I
good.
drink a cold drink, I drink a water, I sweat.
This was really good, really, really good, really good.
It really is.
I don't know what or if I'm eating them or whatever. This is a lot. This is a lot. Now I'm good. I can go
You and them are.
clean myself up. You know,
Because we
and
got
shit.
steaks.
You know,
Hey,
I'm gonna clean myself up and I can go to bed. I ain't even about to lie to you. I can go to bed,
Girl,
girl.
you tell me.
my steak wasn't in the freezer, was it?
I ain't in the refrigerator.
All
But
right.
a bed be in the bed all night, you hear me? Take me a couple of sleeping pills, but the way this got me satiated, I don't even need that. It's good. You talking about Dwayne?
Carry over there.
He over there.
Look.
He gonna make me
Bitch,
come
let
on.
me down. Oh man. Tank. Ooh.
That was hot.
Got my lips burning. Jesus.
I didn't think it was that hot.
Jesus, take the wheel again.
Lord. Lord. I think I'm gonna do a video of this so y'all can see, I didn't do too much.
Yeah.
I just cut up a red bell pepper, red onion,
I
green
gave you an
onion,
oyster.
You didn't give me that
some
option.
garlic and some ginger,
what?
right?
You
And I
gave me
used
that
the
option.
inside of the crab. When I broke the crab open, I used
What?
the roll.
You want
The
sauce?
roll or whatever you want to call that in the inside of the
Anybody
crab,
want shrimp
and
on
I
too?
cooked that in some
I
butter,
go to shrimp.
right?
You can just leave
And
it on
then I
the plate to
used
eat
some
that.
soy sauce, some oyster sauce,
Oh
some
yeah, Curtis.
oyster sauce, soy sauce.
They oysters.
What is that? What is that?
What you? Oh,
Little sugar substitute and some chicken broth and
don't burn yourself up. Yeah.
Oh,
I can't even.
I had
I
more
can't even
oysters
get it
up
out.
than I
but
thought.
I remember everything I put. I wrote it down in
Them
my
are
phone.
good,
Everything
too.
that I did on it. So I am gonna do a video of this. Just letting y'all see what I did or whatever. And I'm just gonna use one crab. I ain't about
Dwayne,
to.
did you want 2 shrimp?
I ain't
Oh, yeah.
about to do that with no
Okay.
okay. Could you drop this in that
3
sauce?
crabs. I might do it with 1, maybe 2 crabs, maybe 2. I'm not sure. But I
Yeah,
know,
I take the rice.
I know for sure right now I'm
You
gonna
gonna
probably
put
do
a
it with
little
one
bit of that
crack.
sauce on that rice.
Cause baby, look,
Yeah,
that's a lot.
yeah,
That's a lot.
yeah.
Hey, Curtis.
What?
You ain't here? Oh, you wanted to? I gave you some.
He got
Oh, what in
He
the
got
world?
2 plates. Yeah,
You
hang on.
good?
Oh yeah, he did.
He
get
over
some
there
on his
choking
plate
to
now.
death, bruh. Go get your water.
Is that hot to you? Oh
Go
wow.
get
can't
you
do
a
spice.
water.
I could,
Yeah,
but-
he can't. He don't do spice also.
See, something make my chest hurt.
That's so sorry. I'm
Poor
so
little
sorry for
baby.
you.
And spice.
Yeah,
I
I'm
feel
so
so
sorry for you. You know.
Yeah,
That's
bend
a shame.
over, yeah.
That's a shame.
You can't get this one.
That mother was good.
That's crazy.
It was. It was. And your food
That
was
was
good,
good, huh?
too.
Oh, I
Your
see.
food was righteous. Yeah, it was hot, but it was righteous.
You think it was hot?
It had
I'm
taste
dying
about
over
it.
here.
Bitch, what you think? He over there. Look, girl, look at the sweat. It's beating up on his head.
Oh, okay.
Literally. It is literally beating up on his head. Good Lord. Damn, just think if it was just that jalapeno.
I'm in the hospital.
Next time I'm gonna add jalapenos to it.
I ain't want mine spicy because I bought jalapenos to do it. I bought stuff to get
Well,
to
why
do
you didn't give me one?
Yeah, I bought a thing of jalapenos. I bought stuff, you know, I did a haul and I bought stuff to do chili crab. But I just said, you know, I'm gonna do
What you doing
my
with the
version of black
jalapenos
pepper
since you
crab.
ain't using them?
I'm just gonna use one.
I'm gonna put mine in the air fryer and roast it, wrapped in furl. So when I eat my steak, I can just cover it. Yeah.
I want to eventually be on the wild side with her and everything, but I don't know. I don't know.
It's not hot to be like that, bitch.
Yeah, it's still hot to me.
When I first started eating, I was like, yeah, this is hot. But as I kept eating it,
I don't know how them two taking it.
you think it's that hot?
It's not.
I don't know
It's
how.
really
Nah,
not.
it's hot, but it ain't hot like that. It ain't hot.
He been dramatic. I Helen.
I don't know.
Oh, look, it's a baby, my mouth. No, it ain't that.
Fuck you, don't answer. I know that's a dig at me because
both of
they
y'all.
called me Aunt Helen. Yeah, I'm dramatic as fuck, but they call me Aunt Helen.
Wow.
Oh Lord Jesus, that's what I was saying about Amazon, man. You know, Dwayne had gave me Dwayne had cashed out me some money, right? Because I told him I wanted this outfit on Temu, right? So Dwayne cashed out me some money, and man, when I tell you, it was like what? Maybe midnight, 1 o'clock, man. I'm like, okay, I'll pay Amazon tomorrow, whatever I have, right? Man, Amazon, hurry up and snatch that. I'm like, I said, Amazon, like, see, we gonna see each other. This just what we gonna do.
Can you
I'm gonna
reach
get
that
me.
limit?
I gotta show you. I gotta
Can
show
you
you.
reach that
What?
limit?
Yeah.
Barely.
I gotta show you. You know, I gotta show you shit from Chuck. Cause this is what we gonna do. I'm gonna get me. And that's just what Amazon did. They took their money, but the messed up thing about that shit is they trying to get more money. I'm like, you took my money. Okay, so my bill is paid. My Prime is paid. Now what you want to, get Prime again? I mean, I've already paid
Oh,
my
there
Prime
go
bill.
Blue Beetle, y'all.
Blue
Yeah.
Beetle? Oh.
I already
Yeah, that's
paid
good.
my,
Yeah, I
my
saw it.
You
Prime.
sent it?
Now you trying
I
to
saw
take
it.
it again? Bullshit.
I have
Dip and Napster.
Oh
Man, they
wow.
doing the most here.
Are they serious?
What?
Are you there, guy? It's me, Margaret. They made it a TV show. You don't know about that?
Only movie I saw is White Chicks. That's it. The other movies I never
Are
saw.
you
it.
there, guy? It's
Okay,
me,
sorry.
Margaret.
Hey, Ma.
Is a very
Can I
popular
see this
book
verse?
back
I don't
from
care.
the 80s when we were growing up. It's about a girl who's coming of age, and you Catholic, they want you to read it. They said, God, read it, and so we read that book. We passed that book around the class a few times, and my friend had the book, and I'ma just say it's coming of age. I ain't gonna tell you everything yet. But here it is. When she got her period, she thought she was dying. That's supposed, yeah.
I know. I thought something happened to me too.
What's new from school?
I mean, that's not that's
you know
normal.
they don't teach girls that.
No, she said.
You know they won't act like they don't know it's ever gonna happen or some shit. Like prepare motherfuckers, cause I ain't even gonna talk. I knew I wasn't dying or nothing, cause I had read Are You There, God? Is Me, Margaret, but I was like, damn, I can't get no help. Like they knew this day was gonna come.
Right.
Why the fuck I don't have no supplies on hand? You know. You saying that the day my shit came, it was during the summer. We had house guests, and we were going on a trip somewhere. You know, not a trip like
Bruh.
out of town.
That's not something to play with. Hey.
That shit there. We were going on I think we was going to the zoo or the aquarium. And I was like, hey, I got something I need to talk to you. And she was like, what? I was like, you know what, never mind, I'll deal. So I just got me buku tissue and weed. Then she had to see it to be like, oh, come here. Oh, no, I won't be fucking helpful now, motherfucker. But hey, it is what it is. Then I finds out, my sister told me, oh, I'm glad you went through it for me because I didn't have to go through the turmoil and embarrassment you did. I just stole your shit.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what she told me. Because she got hers like, maybe 3 years later. I think she told me when she was in the 8th grade, so yeah, that was some years later. Oh, I shouldn't be talking about that on TV. Well, why they keep playing all them Tampax commercials and talking about pearls and just get the cup.
It is. I'm just saying, you know, you talking about y'all shit. You know when y'all got y'all shit and all that. Like,
Would you wear that cup?
what? Hell no, I ain't wearing no damn cup.
How the hell you
They
use
even
that?
have the underwear for cycles, man.
I don't mind the underwear.
I do. I know. No.
I don't see
No,
the problem
ma'am.
with it.
Let me tell you something.
You asked me what I wanted for Christmas.
I was smack the fuck out of you.
Yeah, you give me some underwears for Christmas.
Let me tell you something. I don't fuck with all that kind of shit. The first time I ever wore a tampon, the bitch popped, and I thought something was
Popped.
You know the little string,
It broke off.
broke off, and bitch, I thought I was about to die because you know I thought it was gonna stay in there.
No, you just go in there and get it out.
That's what my grandma told me. I'm like, I gotta touch it. She's like, when you wash yourself, don't you touch it? I'm like, yeah, after the water, you rinsed it off. After the water rinsed it off, you're like, bitch, you get your stupid ass up in there and just go in there and pull it out. I'm like, grandma, I think it's stuck. I think it's going up. As I'm talking to you, I feel like it's going up and up and up. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I told her I've been dramatic all my damn life. All my life. Because I thought every time I talked to her, it was going up and up and up and up, you know. She was like, I remember my grandma saying, Lord, give me strength. This girl is just dumb. She's just fucking dumb. Because, you know, I'm like, Grandma, yeah, as I'm talking.
I ain't never been
Because I was just like, I think it's going up. Because I didn't say, I think it's going up. She was, I think it's going up. Man, that was, look, I thought I was going to die.
Did you use tampons when I met you?
No.
You sure?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
I've been with you so long, you know.
Right?
Fuck.
Good Lord.
So
We've been together a long time, and we still together.
that shit ain't funny.
Hey, you see what I did, right? You turned that way. You know, like old boy.
Yeah.
I mean, old boy. Though.
Living color.
Yeah, man, look. Y'all on
The
that
Brooks.
note, I am sleepy. I ain't even but a lot of I'm sleepy. Man, touch my legs. I'm gonna take a whole bath. I'm gonna take a whole bath. I can't do that. Anyway, y'all. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. We love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for coming and watching and rocking with us. And until next time, we're going to pledge it down and dig it later. Because I know y'all can pick up what we are putting on. You hear me? Peace, y'all.